Let's continue Python for AWS. As part of Python for AWS, we are continuing Anaconda Python installation on Windows operating system and first Python program using Jupyter Notebook and first Python program using Spider IDE. So first important point to think, Python is Python is free and open source. No need to pay single rupee for downloading, installing Python into our machine. Based on this Python open source, there is one popular vendor, Anaconda. Anaconda people also developed based on this Python. That's why we are calling Anaconda Python. This Anaconda Python comes with lot of inbuilt packages. It comes with a lot of inbuilt packages for data analytics, data engineering, data science. Plus, it comes with a lot of inbuilt tools like Jupyter, Spider, lot of inbuilt tools with it. So no need of downloading those. So Anaconda Python is one of the most popular Python software to develop Python applications. So now let's see how to download, install, set path variable, and verify Anaconda Python was installed or not. Okay, here these are 4 steps we are going to follow. These 2 steps, installation and set variable, we do in a single step. Let me open any web browser. I am opening Google Chrome and searching Anaconda Python download. You can see first link. You can open first link or you can open anaconda.org. So here you can see free community access and here uh, free download. Here you can see Windows operating system, Windows 64 graphical user installation. Then it will start downloading. Click on download. Yeah. Open the folder. Not mini Anaconda. Let's go once again. Go to free download. Let's go here. You can see it is asking sign in or sign up. Let's click on sign in and then here you can see Anaconda distribution. So I'm using this one, Anaconda distribution, 64-bit. Click on this download, start download. And this file is 914 MB. It is a bigger file. I said it comes with multiple inbuilt, right? That's why it is a bigger file compared to normal Python. It will take few seconds extra time to download based on your internet speed. And once the download is completed, we can install. Let's wait a few more seconds to download. Yeah, download is completed. Let's open the folder. Double click on this exe file. Yeah, it started installing. Click on next button. Click on I agree. And here I recommend choose only just for me. This is recommended. Don't change this option. Click on next button. Click on next button. And here, this is first option. This is first option. And this one is second option. We are adding path variable to system. Add path variable, then click on install. Then it will start installing. It will take few seconds to complete. Let's wait few more seconds to complete installation. Yeah, installation is successful. So now click on next button, then click on next button, then uncheck these options, then click on finish. So installation is successful. Now I want to know, now I want to know Anaconda Python was installed or not. You can click on search button. You can type Anaconda. You can see Anaconda Navigator. Click on this Anaconda Navigator. Yeah, it is started Anaconda Navigator. You can see here, you can see Jupyter Notebook already available. Spider IDE already available. So you no need to install these softwares manually. Okay. And many other softwares also comes by default with Anaconda Python. Clear writing? Now we can confirm Anaconda Python is installed successfully into our machine. Okay.